binary search those every ways to approach like by birth, and some people do have it in their stomach. Teachers to seniors was the actual loophole in JEE Maths. And I struggled to get even a single digit score in JEE Advanced. Maths, the horror part of JEE journey for many JEE aspirants, including me. In my first attempt, my maths was totally fucked up. I struggled to get even a single digit score in JEE Advanced. But till my second attempt, after experimenting every possible way to approach this subject from every possible resource you could think of, from teachers to seniors to random bhaiya didi YouTubers, I eventually figured out what actually works. What is the exact possible way to crack this subject, which eventually got me into IIT Bombay. If you also struggle with maths, then bear with me for the next few minutes. You will also get to know what actually you are doing wrong. What's the actual loophole in JEE Maths, and why do many JEE aspirants feel it difficult? It's because in other subjects, when you complete the theory, your level is this, and the questions made by NTA in JEE Mains will be this. But for maths, the level is this, and the questions are way above that level. So, directly jumping into PYQs doesn't really help much. First, we have to know how actually these PYQs are made tough. There are two ways to make a PYQ tough. First, by putting lengthy calculations. To overcome this, you just have to blindly practice. Make sure you solve the question till the last. That is the only way to improve this. And next comes the out of the box questions. And here enters the strategic part to practice. To approach these questions, you need strong intuition. But the agenda here is how to build that intuition. Many people think that this intuition is like by birth, and some people do have it in their stomach and they can really do it well. That's not the case. It's completely scientific, can really be mastered. So let's see how to develop this intuition and practice it. Let's come from the basic steps. First, you have done the theory, then you memorize all the formulas. Now, at least solve 100 solved examples from any coaching material. If you don't have any, solve Singages, JEE Advanced Singages. Solve all solved examples. Solved examples and the exercise part of the Singage, and try to do that in a learning mode. First, read the question and try to put any method which you are having in your mind from the theory part. More likely, you will not get it initially. So just see the solution and analyze after it what actually you missed, and write in a separate notebook. Maintain a separate notebook for this. It actually helps really much in revision time. You can't really revise every question, see every question, but if you see this notebook, you are done with your methods. You are actually much more efficient in revision. In this notebook, you have to write what actual step you missed, what actually a new method you find out to solve a question. Like for example, sum of squares was 0 in some step you got while solving. Next step you couldn't predict was eventually independent terms were equal to 0. So these kind of steps and ideas should be written in your own words in that notebook, and also write when it is applicable and when it is not. Build that notebook after solving those 100 solved examples. Memorize it word to word. Your brain should remember all the methods, and now you are eligible to solve questions without seeing the solution. I'll say you how this book will help you solve questions and get the intuitions. Whenever you tackle a new question, your brain will binary search those every ways to approach, those every methods in this notebook, and while approaching their advantages and disadvantages, when to apply, when not to apply, and you will get to know some method from that notebook which is applicable here in that question. And if it is some third concept or some third method, then you have no other option. You have to see the solution and put it in this notebook again to update it. But wait, for JEE 2026 aspirants, you don't really have much time. You can't really solve those materials and Singages. So you have to know that option. You have to do PYQs in the learning mode from YouTube or see video solutions and fill this notebook. If you do practice this max in the way which I said, nobody can stop you from getting intuitions and score in max. So if you want me to mention the best resources of JEE NSA and JEE Advanced, I'll make a separate video of it. Do comment it. Till then, take care. I'm here to guide you. Afnan Mentors, the mentor I wish I had.